In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email auto reply in Yahoo Mail. If you're going to be away from your inbox for a while, setting up an automatic reply is a simple way to let people know you may not respond right away. This can be especially helpful during vacations, time off, or any period when you want to manage expectations without having to reply manually to every message. To begin, open your Yahoo Mail account and make sure you're on your main inbox screen. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand panel. In that area, find the More Options icon, then click it and select Settings. This will open the main settings area for your Yahoo Mail account, where you can adjust different features related to your inbox and account behavior. Inside Settings, look at the left panel again and click Vacation Response. This is the section that controls your automatic out-of-office message. When that page opens, you'll see a toggle next to turn on Vacation Response. Go ahead and switch that toggle on. As soon as you do, additional fields will appear on the screen. These fields are where you'll customize when the auto reply is active and what message people will receive. Next, set the start date and end date for your vacation response. This is important because it tells Yahoo Mail exactly when to begin sending your automatic reply and when to stop. Choosing the correct dates helps make sure your message only goes out during the time you actually need it. After that, type your vacation response message. Keep your message clear and professional so people immediately understand that you're away. You can personalize it based on your situation, whether that's a short vacation, a business trip, or time away from work. Yahoo Mail also gives you some formatting tools here, which can help make your message easier to read. For example, you can insert emojis if that fits your style, and you can format text in bold, italic, or underline. If you click the More Options icon in the message editor, you'll find even more text formatting choices. Once you've filled everything out, your Yahoo Mail auto reply setup is complete. From that point on, your vacation response will be sent automatically during the dates you selected, helping you stay organized and keeping your contacts informed while you're away.